back to my channel. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and also hit the like button. So now let's get started with the video. So today we're just gonna introduce myself with the subscribers, like for you guys or whatever like it's called. Just introduce myself, and we're also later gonna do some cooking, and you guys can see my cool little skills that I can do. So, like I said, I'm going to be doing some cooking videos, gymnastics videos, hanging out with friend videos, and of course some really funny videos. So stay tuned for that. So, now it's time to just introduce myself. So, hi, I live at a lake, and you guys might see some sunset videos, you might see some other videos that who knows you like. But hopefully you guys like my YouTube channel, and my favorite color is blue, purple. So, yeah, and I'm going to post every Saturday or Thursday or Monday. I'm going to try to post on Saturdays or Sundays. So now let's get started with the cooking. Before we do that, I am going to show you guys around back of me. That's where I'm going to start all my videos sometimes. So, it's my lake. It's pretty big for a lake. It's pretty big. And so, yeah. So, I like to start my videos out like this because I feel like it's just fun to do. And now we're going to show you what we're going to cook for today. So let's go inside.